Hello guys, what is up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your account on Wise. Now, if you open a normal or standard account on Wise, you don't need to do this. But you do need to do this if you are looking to open a business account. So what types of documents does Wise accept? For IDs, you need passports, national IDs, and photo of driver's license. And then other valid proof of address documents can be utility bills like gas, electricity, or landline, bank or credit card statements, council tax bills, vehicle registration or tax, photo of driving driver's license showing your address and expiry dates. And the self-verification is pretty much the same thing. You need to do a selfie and so on and so forth. Now, how do you jumpstart this? Go to your Wise and click on your name with your initials on the upper right corner of the screen like this, and click on this, and this pop-up will appear again. And under here it says open a business account, so click on that. And as you can see here, this is going to be the interface, so get set up in minutes, so click on that. So just continue doing this. They will be asking for a lot of information, like your address, your phone number, your bank accounts, and so on and so forth. And then you'll be able to do the verification, which is selfies, photos of your IDs, and so on and so forth. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next video.